What's up guys, for today's video, I'll show you how to perform dry cleaning of diesel generator turbocharger turbine side. The turbocharger can be equipped with a solid particle or dry cleaning device for the turbine side. And this setup depends on the makers and type of diesel generator turbocharger. The purpose of dry cleaning is to prevent build-up and remove carbon deposits from turbine nozzles and blades. Plant solid particle or the walnut shell are introduced upstream of the turbine and are accelerated by means of exhaust gas. First, we're going to familiarize ourselves with the things needed. The plant solid particle cleaning device and its valves. Valve 3, Valve 1, the tank, and cap of the tank 2. The turbocharger valve 4, the 2 flexible hoses, the walnut shell or marine grid number 10 with grain diameter of 1.7 to 2.4 mm, and according to the manual, perform this every 100 to 200 hours or approximately every 8 days. To perform, make sure the booster air or scavenging air pressure is around 0.10 to 0.15 MPa or megapascal. To do this, increase the load or kilowatts of diesel generator. And the turbocharger turbine inlet temperature should be around 510 degrees Celsius. Then, connect the air hose with air supply up to 0.9 MPa. Also connect the flexible hose from plant solid particle cleaning device to diesel generator turbocharger. And here's the step-by-step procedure for dry cleaning. Number 1. Open the valve 4. The valve 3 and the valve 1, and open the supply air valve to supply air and cool down the device for 1 minute. Close valve 1 and valve 3. Open cap of the tank 2 of the plant solid cleaning device and put in the specified amount according to the manual, 0.05 to 0.1 liters of plant solid particles or walnut shell into the tank as a cleaning medium. Close the cap of the tank 2. Open valve 1 and valve 3 to supply air and send the cleaning medium to the turbine. After several minutes, close valve 4, then valve 3 and valve 1. If surging occurs during cleaning, reduce the amount of cleaning medium or walnut shell by half. That's all guys. Thanks for watching.